that. And to sort of pick up on a point discussion I had at the first episode with Dan Mikulskis about whether you should worry about concentration risk. If you're in passive equities, and let's say you invest in passive equities for 40 years, in theory, in a way, you should have to do nothing at all because the market will evolve. It will chuck out those companies that end up, say, maybe as stranded assets, or don't get to net zero, or do get to net zero too quickly and then end up having too low growth. Can you be almost like a sort of a more of a sort of a passive sit back with passive equities and just wait for the market to work it out? Is that a viable way forward in this?
There are some investors that would argue that it's not their job to engage. It's not their job to do these things. It's government's job. It's more like a kind of Milton Friedman type argument. And you own the market in a way, and it will sort itself out. And I do get that argument. However, I'd frame it slightly differently.